Hey young cyber explorers, today we are diving into a magical mystery challenge called Flag Command, where your mission is to find a hidden flag using some clever detective work. Let's do it step by step and crack the code together. Imagine walking up in a strange magical forest full of talking squirrels and singing wizards. Sounds fun, fight. Sounds fun, right? Well, that's a setting of our game called Dimensional Escape Quest. Your goal is to find a secret command hidden in the game, data, and the use to reveal the flag. When you open the challenge, you will see something like this on homepage. These are just links. You can click to play the game, but no matter where you go, you won't find the flag just clicking around. Here is the real trick. Open your browser developer tools and click to inspect. Click on the network tab. Click on the reload. You will notice the browser make a web request to something called the options endpoint. Click on that network request. In the response section, you'll see a bunch of text in a format called JSON. It's like a digital conversation between your computer and server. Look closely and you'll find a key called secret command, blip blop, and etc. Copy this text and paste. Okay. Here you are. Yes, it sounds weird and funny, but it's your golden ticket. Now go back to the home. This time instead click around. Enter the secret command into the game's input field or wherever it's always text input. Bam! You get the flag. Mission complete. So let's recap. Open developer tools. Check the network tab, find the options endpoint, look for the secret command in the JSON, use in the game to get the flag. If you like this walkthrough, smash that like button, subscribe for more CTFs, and keep hacking the good way. Stay curious, stay safe,